Lovely people. So this video is going to be slightly different from the other ones because CJ is in the bedroom editing our 7th video, and I was like, okay, let me just make some breakfast. It's a Saturday morning, and I thought I would record the process because there is this meat. It's not a meatball, it's more like a patty I made, and I'm gonna show you guys, and I'm gonna tell you what I put in there, just in case you're interested, you know. So yeah, we're gonna make some eggs and bacon. I'm gonna make some beans, as we're in London. I'm gonna have some rivita with chicken on the top, and yeah, so let's get into it. PSA, please, if you like what we do, share and subscribe. Welcome if you're brand new. I'm Petra, and it's lovely to have you here. So for the beans, I'm going to be using baked beans. I'm going to be using some onions, some peppers, and I'll use some seasoning, salt, pepper, and also I'm going to be using garlic powder and some soy sauce. Once the pepper and the onion is soft, I'm going to add the beans and just mix it all together. Sometimes I add a little bit of cheese as well because it gives it a nice taste. So I'm going to make that right now. So this is basically mincemeat. It's your preference whatever mincemeat you want to use. And then I put onion in there. I put a little bit of paprika, Hungarian stuff. And I also put an egg. I also put some Maggi cube, but you have to make sure that you sprinkle it all around because you don't want to have like big chunks. And also I put some, well, it's up to you whether you want to use breadcrumbs, or what we normally do is we would have like a bun or something, and then we would wait until it gets really hard, and then you just crumble it around, and then you mix it all up so it's going to keep everything together. Add salt and black pepper, and that's it. And then you're going to form your little patties or burgers, and then it's good to go. You can either make it in the oven, leave it in the oven until everything is nice brown, like dark brown, or you can do it in a contact grill, same thing, until everything is nice and brown. If you want to make sure, you can cut it in half just to check if the inside is cooked as well, or you can fry it in oil in a pan. It's up to you. I would recommend do it in the oven because, you know, bad for your health. But yeah. In the meantime, our beans is ready. Nice. And now I'm gonna make the egg and the bacon. So I'm going to use 3 large eggs. We're gonna share it. And I'm gonna put some salt and pepper and cheese in the egg because CJ doesn't fancy egg too much, but since I'm making it for him, he just loves it. Well, I wouldn't say he loves it, but he's completely fine with it. Those are the cheese bits, and so I'm gonna leave it like this for a minute. I love my eggs fluffy, so I'm just gonna kind of pulling it to one side. So you kind of make some air in between the layers. You can stop at this point, and it's going to be nice and lovely. To make the burgers process a bit faster, I'm going to throw them in the oven quickly because the contact grill is not that quick, obviously. And then I'm going to start preparing the rivitas. What are you doing here?
You put seasoning in there.
Yes. Sampling the beans.
A bit of cheese?
Cheese?
Cheese.
I didn't put cheese in there. Nice. Good. You could have said hi at least to the people.
Hi at least to the people.
You're so Anyway, I'm going to take the eggs out from the pan and then I'll use the pan to make the bacon. This is the British kind of bacon, not the real thing, but we're gonna make it work. That's the bacon we've got. So we're gonna fry it all up. Need you, boo. I gotta see you, boo. And it's first time on the world tonight. And it's first time on the world tonight. What is happening to my patties? Let me try to open this. I know we have the same question on the page on Instagram. By the way, follow us on Instagram at @the_ourcouple. What do you normally have for breakfast? To be fair, this big ass breakfast happens only on Saturday and maybe Sunday mornings. When it's the weekdays, we either get like a smoothie for breakfast before we go to work, or we would go to work and I normally have my little ribita with ham and cheese, because obviously we don't really have time to make a proper big breakfast, so we kind of enjoy that on the weekends. So how about you? Do you have like a breakfast routine on the weekdays, or do you have any breakfast routine on the weekends? That is some nice bacon though. I don't know, in the morning I really love just, you know, getting up, don't worry about the alarm. It's quite funny because since I'm kind of getting up on time on the weekdays without an alarm, I just kind of up, say about 8:30 in the weekend morning as well. So I'm kind of happy about that because I love lay-ins, but I don't like when the day is wasted. And normally when, say, you get up 11, 12 o'clock, it's the weekend, but then half of your day is just gone. You didn't do anything, you didn't even chill because you were sleeping, and you don't even realize you blinked twice and then it's already Monday and you have to go back to work. I don't like when I'm inactive on the weekends, you know. I love to get some stuff done, as well as I love to enjoy it. We have a lot of stuff to do, obviously editing videos, uploading, creating content, which we were kind of slipping, but we try to be really focused going forward. DJ had a meeting with a guy and he's got a really good insight how focused you need to be on this. Otherwise, if you're not generating content, nothing is going to happen. And I was thinking about, oh my god, how many occasions we missed that we could have created content. So we've got a really old TV stand and I was like, I want a new one. I decided to paint it. It looks like brand new and it looks really nice. Could have done a content about that. So yeah, there are loads of opportunities, but it's just, you need to have that creative mindset, that content creator mindset for it. So we definitely try to be more focused going forward. Even that's why I was thinking, do you know what, let me just make a video of making breakfast for CJ, because you know, some people might be interested in the recipe for my burger, some people might be just generally interested, and yeah, I hope you guys like it. I'm not gonna do this every weekend. But if you have any, you know, other ideas, what we could do, what would you like to see more? Obviously we have, or we made that gaming video. If you want to see more of that, let us know. Or if you want to see more of just generally talking video like our New Year's resolution video, or you want to see more of everyday life, like making breakfast, or just talking about anything, you know. We have a lot of plans for this year. It's a new decade. We didn't even talk about any of that in the video, but it's gonna be good lit. I don't know how about you, but I love opening avocados. It's just so much fun. I kind of want to cut it all around. And you twist it, and then you kind of want to, right? And ooh. I'm gonna have some avocados, this is healthy. I'm just gonna make a start on the plates. You can come with me if you want. then normally we are good until dinner. Must be about 10 o'clock. So it's almost like a, let's call it brunch. We'll eat this and then we would be set until dinner. Hello.
Hello!
How is it going?
It's going slowly.
Slowly.
Yeah.
The breakfast is ready.
I'm actually really hungry. You're very good at stepping backwards. I'm quite impressed.
Thank you.
Is it already? Dear Lord, for what I'm about to receive, may the Lord make me truly grateful. Amen.
Amen. Alright people, we are going to enjoy this juicy breakfast.
And you do not want to see me devouring this food. But now is the perfect time to
I
cut.
had to take off that big jumper because I was literally boiling. We're about to eat and I hope you enjoyed the video. We are going to be back with more videos soon. Here's munching away. I don't know how to use this gimbal. Anyways, we will catch you in the next one. Peace.